Hello, and thank you for taking a moment to watch this training. On this training, I'm going to show you how easy it is and how quick it is to install the PhoneBurner app into your Salesforce org. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the little 9-dot menu option in the upper left-hand corner. And we're going to go down and click on View All. And then we're going to click on Visit App Exchange. From the App Exchange, we're going to do a quick search for PhoneBurner. Hit Enter. And we're going to go ahead and click on the PhoneBurner option. Now, before we go through and actually do the install, I do want to point out that from here, you can learn a little bit more about PhoneBurner, including taking a moment to read the reviews on PhoneBurner, so you can see how others have benefited by taking advantage of this powerful tool within Salesforce. But let's go ahead and install the app now. We're going to click on Get It Now. We're going to click on Open Login Screen. Now you may need to make sure that you allow pop-ups. Now if you haven't installed a new app or you haven't installed one in a while, there sometimes is a little confirmation screen that you have to go through there. And you'll see the first thing we need to decide is if we're going to install it in the org, in the production org, or if we're going to install it in a sandbox org. Totally up to you. I'm going to go down the path of production. I'm going to install it into production. But of course, you can install in sandbox if you want. Now keep in mind, if you install in sandbox, there's some adjustments that you'll need to make on the PhoneBurner side so that our system knows that you're working in a sandbox environment and not a production environment. But let's go ahead and install in the production environment. So clicking this, and then you'll need to confirm your install details. Now, of course, this is a demo org that I'm working out of. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some contact information. And of course, like everything everywhere, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. We're going to go ahead and check that. And we have the option to allow the provider, which is PhoneBurner, to reach out to us by email or phone or SMS. Totally up to you whether or not you want us to be able to reach out to you. I would recommend you do it. We're not going to harass you. We're just here to help. So I'm going to go ahead and check that. And then I'm going to click Confirm and Install. And of course, once that install is done, you will now see it listed as one of your installed packages. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to install the PhoneBurner app inside your Salesforce org. Now, don't forget, there's still a lot of configuration and setup so that you can really make sure PhoneBurner is humming for you. So continue watching the training. Bye for now, and happy dialing.